how to tie your fishing line to your fishing reel. First, take off your spool. So you're going to get your fishing line and wrap it around your fishing spool 3 times. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pinch these 2 lines together, and we're just going to do a uni knot. So I'm going to take the tag line here and drop it below the main line and make a loop like this. And when I do this, I twist the fishing line with my right hand, and it helps it go under there. So once these 3 lines come together, I pinch them there. And there you have your number 6. So what I'm going to do here is wrap my tag line around these 2 lines 3 times for the demonstration, 5 times in real world. 1, 2, 3. Wet your fishing line. Now what I'm going to do first is pull the tag line to the right. And I'm just going to snug that up. I'm not making that real tight yet because I still want to get that fishing knot to the spool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the main line. And you can see that knot is nice and tight. And you have 3 lines around the spool there, so that won't break if a fish spools you out. So what I'm going to do here is just cut the tag line. And that's good to go there. That's strong. Remember, before you tie that knot on that spool, to put your fishing line through the line guides. And before putting the spool back on a reel, make sure you open your bail. Then once your spool is on, you can close your bail. If you're one of the few people that made it to the end of the video, I just want to say thanks. I appreciate your support. Drop a comment, let me know you're out there so I can say hi back. And be sure to check out the next video. I think you'll like it. Thanks, and I appreciate your support.